This video, I'm going to show you how you can change your VirtualBox plan or mode from basic to expert. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now, one thing you have to note is that you can switch between your modes. Maybe from the time you started with basic, or you chose basic and you'd like to go ahead and switch to expert mode. To do so, it is quite simple. There are two ways you can achieve this. First, you can go up here and then click on file and then choose this option called preferences. If you go to preferences, it will take you to this dialog box under preferences and you'll be able to see the options here, basic and expert. From here, you can switch from basic to expert by just clicking on expert here and then click on OK. And with that, you'll have switched to your plan or your mode. Alternatively, instead of going to file here, you can also use the preference option that is directly available here. So if you click on that, it will still again display the two modes that can be used on VirtualBox. Choose the one you want and then OK. So that's how you can change your mode or plans on VirtualBox. If this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.